Hello, this is Steve Walton with Action Auction Company in Radcliffe, Kentucky. We will be selling at auction this truck with less than 7,300 miles, as well as many more items. The auction will be conducted March 24th, 2012, both online as well as on site.
Hurry up.
Ready?
These items have been in use by the Fort Knox, Kentucky Recycle Center and are now being offered to the public. There are many more items to be sold in this auction that will be conducted both on-site and online. They include another truck like this one, 2 balers, a complete recycle sorting conveyor system, a roll-off truck, front-end loader, Clark propane or gas forklift, a gas engine, air compressor, pneumatic tire changer, and a transmission jack. All items are in working condition. Check our website at www.actionauctioninfo.com for links to videos and or pictures of these other items, as well as terms and conditions of the auction. If you have a need for items like these, now is the time to buy. Our website has instructions on how to bid online. Hope to see you at or online for this auction. Thanks for watching.